11.597, I made the assignment 1. For the first part, demonstrate my efforts and or incremental functionality. I will show the logo, the loading screen, and logos on the app. You can add the name, and there is a cute icon. You can choose the name like this. 11 will come back. Okay, I want to change it, so you can add a new one. And delete like this, delete like this. Or if you go to the edit, you can change the location like this. That's all. If you click this, it will go to the details. Yeah, I can change the name. It will come back, but I want to delete it. Changed. If I click reset, it will come. Reset, it will come back. I can change the location like this as well. And you can tick. You can add some empty thing. Sure. Put the value in here. So it will show off. There's something to write there. You can add a new one. Yep, that's pretty much all. So I can show that this. I will take cancel. Change applied. The second one, show the Git repository. So the Git, I have only one branch for now. So this initial commits, readme file. This is for the, until here is for the assignment 1, milestone 1. Test failed, try to implement all the test. Test succeeded. Succeeded, mother side done. I just put down here. Looking at that. Error occurred. Try to fix the delete and move function. Tick or untick. Adding comment. Undo button on here. Undo. Add button. So here I'm working on the DLCC. The third one shows how you test it. In the testing, I just check the value on first test. Oh no, here. This is the first test. I check the value. In here, I just check the type. Check the type also. For the array, checklist detail item. And for the model, I have for the post function, get the file, where's the file location and URL. Checklist, this is for the first main one. So there is another array under here, for accelerator, so name of there and name of the and name of, or this is for the detail, UUID for the separation, distinguishable, recognizable, data model, codable, so make the list title on the data model and make the empty and load the data from there, load the data. We'll bring the data from JSON with the JSON decoder, make the JSON file into the array, or readable data, and yep, putting the data in here. If there's no data, then we use the initiation data, which is from here. And this for save, literally get the same location, make the array into the JSON format, and write down on the file. That's the all. Number 4 shows source code and documentation. So this is the documentation. Those basics show the main topics, models, testing, what I've done, the files in the project, with the documentation. Here I just show everything, like what's the type, what element, checklist, what type, and what's the procedures, usage, something like that, something like that, something like that. So I did everything, or for every function, and not every file. And show that in the, this is a model, this context view where it started, So get the data from data for the load from app, start from app. We will start with the get the data model and put the data model in the loading screen, loading view. Show the cache with the background with the black color. Once all the data loaded on the context view, post 1.5 seconds after that, we go to the main one. In the main one, just display everything with the onDelete and move thing and delete thing. Which was everything, navigation bar for the edit button and plus button. Cool. And so context view is also the same format as this. The context view, but in here I started using binding and state. So because if I using the bind value and try to edit it, it will go back to the previous view. So that's why. So it's a first and third and everything. The context view. So this will be the details space to edit the name of the details value. So display that and link to this another view. And in here you can, if the edit button has clicked, you can change this. Change the value on the text box. That's all I have. Cool. Thank you very much. Have a good day.